Something unusual is happening behind the scenes at DJI.
And if the latest leaks are accurate, the upcoming DJI Air4 could introduce some of the smartest features we've ever seen in a consumer drone.
What's interesting isn't just a better camera or a slightly longer battery life.
The real story is that DJI may be quietly changing the way drones think,
Fly and even make decisions in the air. Some of these rumored features haven't received much attention.
but together they could make the Air4 one of the biggest drone upgrades in years.
So in this video, we're going beyond the headlines.
Instead of repeating the same basic rumors everyone already knows,
We're taking a closer look at the secret features.
hidden upgrades, and smart technologies that could completely change what the
DJI Air4 is capable of.
Keep in mind that many of these details are based on leaks,
Industry reports and DJI's previous development pattern.
so nothing is officially confirmed yet. But if these reports turn out to be true, DJI might have another blockbuster on its hands.
Let's begin with what could be the biggest hidden upgrade of them all.
At first glance, the DJI Air4 may not look dramatically different from its predecessor.
The familiar folding design is
Expected to remain because DJI have already perfected that formula.
But sometimes the biggest changes aren't visible from the outside. The real revolution
Could be happening deep inside the drone's hardware and software. One of the strongest rumors suggests
that DJI is developing a much smarter onboard processing system.
instead of simply following commands from the remote controller, the Air4 could analyze its surroundings much faster and make intelligent flight decisions in real time,
And imagine your drone recognizing obstacles earlier,
predicting movement more accurately
and adjusting its flight path almost.
instantly without making the footage look unnatural.
That's the kind of improvement many drone creators have been waiting for.
Now here's where things become even more interesting. DJI has spent years improving artificial intelligence across its drone lineup. But the Air4 could be the model where AI finally becomes one of the biggest selling points rather than just another feature on the specification sheet. Leaks suggest that the drone's tracking system may become significantly more reliable in
Difficult situations, especially when subjects move behind trees, buildings, or other obstacles. Instead of losing the target immediately, the drone may be able to predict where the subject is heading.
continue tracking much more smoothly. For content creators, this could be a huge upgrade. Whether you're filming mountain biking, running, cars, boats, or fast-moving action, smoother AI tracking could reduce the need for
Repeated shots and make professional-looking
footage easier to capture. That doesn't just save time, it could completely change the shooting experience.
But here's the surprising part.
Smarter AI may not be limited to tracking alone. Some industry insiders believe DJI could introduce more
Intelligent cinematic flight.
behaviors that automatically adjust speed, altitude, and camera movement depending on the scene being captured. If that's true, even beginners could create footage that looks far more professional with very little manual control. And that's only the beginning, because the next leaked feature could be even more exciting,
Especially for anyone who cares about image quality.
Rumors suggest DJI may be preparing one of the biggest camera improvements ever seen in the Air series. And some of the hidden details are far more impressive than most people realize. Now let's talk about what could become the biggest reason to upgrade to the DJI Air4, and surprisingly, it may not be the number of cameras. It could be how intelligently those cameras work together. Over the years, DJI has continued improving image quality. But the next step may be far more advanced than simply increasing resolution.
According to multiple leaks and industry speculation, the Air4 could feature a significantly smarter imaging system designed to deliver cleaner footage in situations where most drones usually struggle.
Instead of relying only on larger sensors, DJI may be focusing on computational photography powered by artificial intelligence. That means the drone could process
Every frame more intelligently before it even reaches your memory card.
Imagine flying during sunrise or just before sunset when the lighting changes every few seconds. Current drones sometimes force you to
Choose between protecting the bright sky or keeping
detail in the darker landscape. The rumored Air4 could analyze both areas simultaneously and produce footage with better balance, smoother highlights, and richer shadow detail, making difficult scenes look far more natural. Low-light performance is another area that could receive a noticeable improvement. This doesn't necessarily mean the drone will suddenly see perfectly in complete darkness, but it may reduce image noise more effectively while preserving fine details. For travel creators, filmmakers, and outdoor photographers, that alone could make evening flights much more useful. There's also growing speculation that DJI is improving the relationship between hardware and software rather than depending on sensor size alone. Instead of simply adding megapixels, the company may be using faster image processing to deliver sharper videos, more accurate colors, and improved dynamic range. If that happens, the Air4 could produce footage that looks much closer to higher-end professional drones. But the camera isn't the only thing becoming smarter. The gimbal itself may also receive hidden improvements that aren't immediately obvious on a spec sheet. Rumors suggest DJI is working on more advanced stabilization algorithms that could reduce tiny vibrations caused by wind or sudden directional changes. Even if you're flying in challenging conditions, your footage could remain smoother and more cinematic without requiring heavy editing afterward. Another interesting possibility is faster automatic scene recognition. Imagine pointing the drone toward a mountain range, a busy city skyline, or a moving vehicle. Instead of using the exact same camera settings every time, the Air4 of May intelligently optimized exposure, color, and focus depending on what it's seeing. That kind of real-time adaptation could make every shot look more polished straight out of the drone. Video creators should also pay attention to another rumored upgrade. DJI may expand its intelligent shooting modes with more advanced AI assistants. Features similar to master shots and quick shots could become more dynamic, automatically adjusting camera angles and flight paths based on the subject and surrounding environment. If true, creators could produce cinematic sequences with far less manual effort than before. And here's something that many people haven't been talking about. The Air4 could also improve the speed at which it starts recording after takeoff. It may sound like a small change, but when you're trying to capture wildlife, sports, or a moment that lasts only a few seconds, every second matters. Faster readiness could mean fewer missed opportunities. Of course, none of these upgrades have been officially confirmed yet. They're based on leaks, industry reports, and DJI's development history. But if even half of these rumors prove accurate, the Air Force camera system could become one of the strongest reasons to wait for this drone, instead of buying an older model today. But impressive cameras are only part of the story. The next rumored upgrade could affect every single flight you make. Longer battery life, smarter power management, and hidden performance. Improvements may allow the Air4 to stay in the sky longer while flying more efficiently than ever before. Of course, an amazing camera means very little if your drone can't stay in the air long enough to capture the perfect shot. That's why one of the most exciting rumors surrounding the DJI Air4 has nothing to do with image quality. Instead, it's all about efficiency. Rather than simply increasing battery size, DJI could be focusing on smarter power management. That means every component inside the drone may work together more efficiently, allowing pilots to spend more time filming and less time worrying about battery percentage. Another upgrade many experts are expecting is a more intelligent obstacle sensing system. DJI has already set the standard for flight safety, but the Air4 could react even faster to complex environments. Instead of only detecting obstacles, it may calculate smoother escape paths, making automated flights feel more natural and reducing sudden movements that often ruin cinematic footage. Transmission performance could also receive an important boost. A stronger and more stable connection between the drone and controller would mean fewer signal interruptions, better live video quality, and greater confidence when flying in challenging environments. For creators who shoot in mountains,
forests, or wide open landscapes, that could make a noticeable difference.
then comes the biggest question. When will the DJI Air 4 actually launch? At the time of making this video,
DJI hasn't officially announced the Air 4.
most of the information
Available today comes from leaks,
certification activity, and trusted industry sources. That means the final design specifications, pricing,
and release date could still change before the official announcement. So, should you wait for the DJI Air 4?
If you already own a drone that still meets your needs,
Waiting could be the smarter decision until DJI reveals the official details.
but if these rumored AI upgrades,
Smarter camera processing, improved flight intelligence,
and better overall efficiency become reality,
the Air 4 has the potential to be one of the most exciting consumer drones
DJI has ever released. We'll continue tracking every new leak and official announcement. So if you don't want to miss the latest DJI Air 4 updates,
make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.
thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.